Hello everyone, welcome back to Pragati Progress classes. Dear audience, if learning language is very difficult, but I have to learn this language, I have to speak this language, I have to give a speech, I have to make conversation, whatever happen, I have to learn English language. So, dear audience, if you think like this, you will be definitely learn and you will be definitely speak fluent. You must have seen work is worship. So, here you have to think that you are going to do worship and you have to devote few minutes for learning this language, right? So dear audience, what is the important thing for learning this language? Four thing is very important to learn this language: listening, writing, speaking and watching. But you have to give more attention to listening something as much as you can, while driving, while sleeping, while entertained to you, some watching movie, newspaper, you have to only focus on English language. Every time you have to dedicate to learn this language, while sleeping, while walking, while watching, while writing, while listening, every time you have to give more attention on English language. Then your brain will be get ready. You think that this is very important in your life to learn this language. The English language is your dream. You want to speak this language, right? Every time you think, if I would learn this language, then I will be a speak. My friend speak very smartly. Can I speak this language? So, dear audience, only you think I have to learn this language. May I learn this language? Then it will be not possible. You have to dedicate to learn this language. Every time, every day, you have to focus on your aim. Your aim is become fluent in this language. You have to climbing on Everest. So firstly, you have to climb some steps while listening some music, some English content, some news, and while listening news and English content, you have to focus on some difficult vocabulary. Dear audience, fourth thing is very important, you know that. But most important thing is speaking. If you learn by listening, writing, watching, you have to do a speaking here. So you have to give more attention to speaking this language. Every day you have to write some questions by own and you have to practice all of these questions to answers. You will be asked to question by own and you have to give answers because you are teacher, right? You have to teach yourself, and so you have to prepare question about yourself. How will you ask questions to yourself? And you have to write some questions about your daily life, about your habits, about your personal life. You can write as much as you can, and then you have to ask you yourself, and you have to do practice. By practicing, you have to think that you are doing worship. You have to devote few minutes to learning every day. You have a lot of work to gossip to others. You have to do gossip 1 hour daily, but you don't get tired while gossip to your friends, while going anywhere, while watching some unuseful thing, right? But here English language will be very useful for you. You have no time, you get tired, you think that this is boring thing. Dear audience, one day you get tired, you think that this is a boring thing, but when you will be learn this language, your dream will fulfill, and you will be proud on you. You think that this language was my dream, and nowadays I am able to speak this language every time and everywhere. I have not any hesitation because of my dedication, because of my devotion. So here is very important. You have to give more attention on listening music, listening news, and listening English content every day. You have to make your habit. Whatever happen, I have to give few minutes to listening some English content, and I have to write some English sentences every day, and I have to ask some question by yourself. Then you will be become fluent. So if you like my video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.